Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a video of the exit signs in this hotel that I'm staying at. So right here we have, I believe, a Lithonia lighting, probably LED red letter exit sign right here. Nice bright red letters. And then over here, we've got another Lithonia lighting exit sign with red letters. It is single-sided, just like the other one. That's cool. I can tell it's actually Lithonia lighting because of the casing on it. It kind of looks like Lithonia lighting. And then over here, we got another Lithonia lighting red lettered exit sign with red letters. Oh, and by the way, there is a fire alarm right there, and emergency lights. Let's go for a little walk down the hall. There is another old fire alarm system. Alright guys, come back. Here is another Lithonia lighting red lettered exit sign right there. There's a sticker on it. It's wall mounted. And there is another red lettered exit sign over there. You can kind of see it a little bit. So yeah, thanks for watching.